Hey guys, do you think this camera takes us to the moon? I think it will, and you will see at the end of this video actual moonshots taken from this Nikon. And this camera is from 2014. This is the Nikon Coolpix S9700. Let me just put it here on your camera, as you see right here. Coolpix S9700. It's point and shoot by all means, 30 times wide full HD zoom, and it has the stuff here, and quite a nice sizable screen. The function buttons here with a spinning wheel, record button, shutter button right here, zoom in and out right here, on and off here, and the modes here, which are quite wiped out at the moment. And besides that, there's really nothing more except for the battery itself that resides right here. If I can take it out of here, that's the tiny battery it has. It's a 3.7 volt, 1050 milliamps. Okay, and we'll put it back in here. Here it has a full SD card, or what do you want to call it, just regular SD card. And that's pretty much physically all it has. And it turned on itself, as you see right here. Look at that. And look at this lens here. When I unfold it or when I zoom into something, look how big this one becomes. As you see, this is huge. Compared to the camera body, this is huge. Look what happens when I turn it off. Boom. This is the camera. And when it turned on, yes, it has all the stuff that a regular camera would have. As you see right here. Taking pictures and all that stuff. There's my hand. And the reason why I'm showing you this camera is that it's one of those devices that a lot of people are not even aware about. This Nikon S9700 is probably around $200 right now, more or less. It features Wi-Fi and GPS. Wi-Fi is if you install the Nikon app on your phone, you can transfer files wirelessly and all that stuff. And yes, the charger is a micro USB charger, regular charger, which serves as a USB and charger. It has a, if I'm not wrong, micro HDMI right here. And that's pretty much it. And the moonshots I took with this camera came out the best, probably, moonshots I've ever gotten from any camera. And I'm talking about comparing it to my other camcorders, which is a Canon Vixia, or to my EOS Rebel Canon, or even including my cell phones, which, you know, it's ridiculous to say, but our cell phones these days are quite capable, but not this level. And now, as an end to this video, I will show you those moonshots taken from this camera alone. Not adding anything, not zooming into them with a software or anything, just using strictly this camera itself. And with that said, enjoy the videos and hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Bye!